Taja, thanks for sending me your question about constructing congruent line segments. And some of these constructions can be tricky, so I'm glad you sent this to me. But this one is kind of an intro into that will help you with a lot of future topics. So what you have here is a line segment and a point P, and we're going to draw a congruent line segment, so one that's the same length. Now it doesn't have to be parallel or anything, we just kind of need to create a line, or well, actually a ray starting at point P, and it can go any way we want, it just doesn't matter. So I'll maybe just do it like this, and then I'm going to draw my line in. So you start at point P, and when I say line, we're really making a ray here because we start at point P and we're going on as long as we want after that. I'm not going to try to make it exact yet. That's going to be my next step. Okay, so I got rid of my ruler now, and I need to have it only be this long from W to X. So the way we can measure that is with a compass. So you can place your compass on one of the endpoints and then set the width so that it's exactly as long as that line segment. Now it's set, okay? So if I want to use that same setting, I can come over here to P and then draw an arc. And I've made an arc through that ray so that I have the same setting as when I was with W and X over here. These are the same length from each of those points. So if this point right here shows a point that's the same distance from P as was my distance between X and W. So that right there, that's my line segment that's congruent to W and X. So if we check that here, we should be good. Okay, so feel free to rewind this video, watch it as many times as you need to, keep it up while you're doing it, okay? But what we did was we basically set that compass to be the length between W and X, and then we used that same setting to draw an arc here so that we could place a point that's the same distance from P as X is from W. Okay, so good luck with that. Let me know how it goes.